Today we're changing the oil on a 2008 Honda Fit. We're going to look at our chart. Green should be Honda. Right in the oil fill cap. Threads right in. And then I'm going to show you why I have a vacuum up here in a second. Okay, we've got our attachment for our vacuum hose. That plugs in right here. And when I turn on the vacuum, it's going to apply suction to allow me to take the drain plug out and put this valve in for a mess-free oil extraction process. And we're going to start with removing the oil filter. Make sure our gasket came off, which it did. Take some oil, lube up our new gasket. Put the new filter on. Alright, we've got good contact. And just a little more. Perfect. Now let's watch the magic happen as I turn on the vacuum. I'm gonna take this off and no oil is gonna come out. That vacuum's gonna keep the oil suspended in here. Ready? That's amazing. Beautiful. Alright, there's our old gross washer and our new one we'll put back on. And once that's finished draining, we'll remove the valve and put our drain plug back in. Now that we're done draining, we can take our vacuum attachment off and place our funnel on to prepare to fill. Now we're down to a slow drip from the valve. So let's turn the valve off. I'm gonna put the drain plug back in and torque it to 29 foot-pounds. Alright, now we fill it with 3.8 quarts of 5W20. Now to reset the oil life, have the key in the run position and cycle through the trips until you hit oil life and hold it down. Hopefully. Oh, it goes. Now you hold it down.